Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So literally in this video, we're going to be looking at how to create Fiverr gig that rank. I'm going to show you from the start to the end on how you can actually create Fiverr gig that rank to the first page, and I'm going to show you as well how you can actually do your keyword research to make sure you are on the right page and you are doing the right thing as at that time when you're trying to create your gig on Fiverr. And the first thing you actually need to do is doing keyword research within Fiverr. I have made different kind of videos on how you can actually do keyword research on Fiverr and Fiverr alone, and also share the tools you actually need when you're trying to set up or do keyword research for your account, so that you'll be able to find the right keywords which you actually need to put in your gig when you're trying to set up an account on Fiverr. And then I have do some keywords research, but I still have to do some based on the account I actually want to create in this video. So my service was based on YouTube service. So then I want to create a gig under YouTube, as well as creating YouTube description service, whereby I will write video description for people, for clients to be precise. So that's what I'm gonna do. So after searching for that keyword, you can see the total service. I'm sorry. So the total service fall around 465, which is very less competitive, like I said. So, and it always depends on the kind of service you are trying to render on the platform. So I have, like I said earlier, I've made different videos on how you can actually do keyword research. So with the keyword research I did, that was when I was able to find this particular keyword, which is YouTube description. Okay, scrolling down, I already have some competitors who are also offering this service on the platform, which are this, and this. And these are my targets. These are people I actually want to compete with. So, but I'm not actually guaranteeing that my gig will appear on this first section yet, but I can guarantee that my gig will be able to find a place to sit within first, second, and third page, because most of gigs that are on this page, most of them doesn't have direct keywords which I actually want to input on my own gig title. But some of them do have the keywords, which is YouTube description. um so I haven't seen the one that have straight for YouTube description. So this one I will make YouTube channel video description. So different titles like that based on how everyone understand SEO, and based on how SEO is working for everyone. So there is different way you can actually structure your own gig, and then probably you have it on the first page, second page, or third page, or last page. So that's how your gig will definitely belong to somewhere. So, but that's just that. So open on, I'll move on to switch to seller. So I'm already on buyer feature right now, so switching on to seller. Then this is actually old account which was deranked. So, and I'm actually using it to make video to allow me have access to Fiverr if I actually want to show some features on Fiverr. So then the next thing for me is to click on gigs, since I already have existing gigs on this account. So the next thing for me is just proceed on to create gig. And if you are a new seller, you haven't published any gig yet, and after setting up your account, I already make one video on how you can actually use Fiverr to make money. So that video I explain everything from scratch on how you can actually create an account, rank your gig, do keyword research, and everything you definitely need as a beginner to understand how Fiverr actually works. So you can watch the video and then you can just come back here to proceed on this video. So the next thing for me is to do is I already have like five gigs already published. You can see the impression is not actually coming as it's supposed to. So the next thing for me to do is click on the create a new gig. So here is where the whole work actually starts. So how can I generate title for my service? And I also share a platform where you can actually generate gig title easily, which is Fiverr title generator. But due to the fact that this YouTube's description is strictly under YouTube, and I might not be able to find the category on the website, so instead of that, I like to generate the title idea for on my own. So the next thing for me to do is to come up with title ideas. So let me think. I will write engaging, okay, sorry, engaging YouTube description for your video. So this is very straightforward Fiverr gig title. You can see just perfect. I'll write an engaging YouTube description for your video. Okay, this is still fine. So choosing on the category, this is also very important. So it's very important when you're trying to choose a category that where your gig actually belongs to. So you need to make sure you choose the right category where your gig belongs to. And I would have loved to choose video marketing, but there are some gigs that are already published which might also be under the video marketing. And then if I can't have two gigs under the same category, like under the same service, so instead I would prefer to choose another category which I can actually just use, and I'm very sure the gig will also rank as it's supposed to. So platform, social media shop, language, let me try to check on script writing, video script. Okay, let me choose this one. So let me choose on script writing. Then the purpose, entertainment, business, or explainer video. Okay, these two categories are actually good. The language should be English. Okay, so now here is another where you actually need time to understand how your niche actually works. So for my own niche, I would also like understand how buyers actually think when you're trying to look for a service like this. So I know they'll search for YouTube description, so that is one. They'll also search for video description. They also search for let me try to spy on my competitors to see what keywords they are having on their own gig. Keyword research, tag, viral video, no. YouTube optimization, no. Video optimization, best YouTube SEO. Most of them actually don't have a good keyword I can actually just tap in. So let me just think of my own tags. So I'll just think about what I think people will be searching. So I just put myself into the buyer shoes. So video optimization. Okay, so another one is video scripts writing. Another one should be YouTube video. Okay, these are the keywords that I believe that it will definitely work for me. So I'm copying this title because I'll need it in the pricing section. Okay, so this is saved already. So the next thing is the pricing section. So okay, I would prefer to go with one basic offer, which is for one video. I will write 50 engaging words. I'll write 50 engaging words for your YouTube video. Or description for your video. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm going to put in the offer for the basic pricing. So the next thing to do is basic package. So if I want to have other package as well, so I can just do this. I can just activate this switch, then I'll put in the other information which I have to. So I just copy from here, then do some little editing which I believe they might actually need. So I will write YouTube description for 5 videos on your channel. Then for this one I'll write YouTube video for 5 videos, so this one should be 10 video. Then premium package and then standard package. Okay, so this is the pricing. Then scrolling down, I can deliver under 24 hours, then 2 days. I don't need all this section. I don't need all this. So unlimited for revision. I always put this because it's very important. This also gives buyers some confidence that they are going to deliver the best for them. So $20, then $40. So these are the pricing for each of these service. So scrolling down, I click on save because I'm done with every section that I believe that I will need in this gig. So the next thing is YouTube Fiverr GIG description, which is where some people actually find it so difficult to put because they really don't know what to put in the description so that they can get the buyer's attention and then they'll be able to order their gigs. But to me, I always like writing from scratch, which is the best way for me to rank my gig without copying someone else gig description. So I would like to start from my gig title, which is okay. I think this is my gig title. I will write an engaging YouTube description for the video, or I can also start from, are you looking for an expert who understands how YouTube algorithm works? Okay, so someone who can help you to write an engaging YouTube description to rank your video on top page of YouTube. I'm actually writing this so that you can tap from my idea on how to write gig description for your own gig. I have helped over 50 channels. I've helped over 50 YouTube channels in writing their YouTube video description and also do keyword research to rank their video on YouTube. You can also be among the creator who, I'm thinking of how to put this again, can also be among the creator who which I have helped to rank their YouTube channel and be successful. What you get from me: 24 hours turnaround delivery, unlimited revision, well optimized YouTube description, okay. So I might also want to add some other one later, but I just think like this is actually good this way. Both this, then italic it, so then give this a bullet point, then that's cool. If you have any question regarding your YouTube channel, you can send me a message now and I do be happy to help you. You can also scroll down to see my other services regarding YouTube platform. Thank you. So this is my gig description, and I write everything from it, so I don't copy from one place to another. So yeah, so this is my gig description, and with this I believe I can get order. So I just hope Fiverr will not flag the word YouTube, which happen to appear often and often. So what I'll do is to copy this, then scroll down to save and continue. So let's see what happened. Okay, so exactly what I said. So they said I should change this. This is an excessive use of the times YouTube. So what I'll do is okay, I'll put an iPhone here, put an iPhone here too, put an iPhone here, or space. Okay, so I've edited some of them, then copy again, then go back to pricing, then save. So then what I copied, I'll just paste it here. So that's how you can actually fix if there is repeated words which Fiverr actually complain. That means there is still more to change. That's why they reject it. You can see, and then the one that should appear should not be more than 3. So let's try it again. Okay, so let's wait and see if this went through or not. Okay, it has removed the YouTube, so the remaining one is YouTube. Okay, let me change this. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me search for another one if there could be another one. Okay, I think we should be able to proceed this way. I only have the word keyword of YouTube 3 times, so okay, this should work. Or this is not going, still have to edit some. Okay, I just edit another one again, because YouTube service on Fiverr is actually much. Like if you search for YouTube, you'll see over 100,000 gigs in this niche. So you have to do keyword research and find low competitive keyword before you can actually rank on Fiverr and be able to publish your gig. So I just got that done. So the next thing for me is to put in the requirement. So thank you for your order. Kindly provide me with link to your video or add me as your channel manager. So I'll need them to provide me the link to that video so that I'll be able to write the description, or if the person can actually add me to each our channel, then I can be able to edit that particular video. So after that, the next thing is to just design a gig image. So I have make video on how you can actually design gig image without any stress. So, and it's very easy with the way I explain everything. So it's very easy to design gig image. So let me try to just make a quick one, then um I'll publish that. Okay, let me try a new one. Do I need, I'm not sure if I need any sample, so let me just start from scratch. So this is a size for YouTube uh YouTube thumbnail. I will just use this to design a random gig image, or I can just choose a new one. So choosing a new one, this is 512 430. This is the size for Fiverr gig image. Okay, so I have different kind of PNG file of myself on this page. So let me try this. Okay, so actually I have someone on Fiverr to remove background from all these pictures, so they're actually not that perfect like I want them, but I just have to choose some of them that I think they can actually I can actually manage for my thumbnail, for my video thumbnail. So this one is not actually good too. Okay, so this is one of my headshot as well. You can see I used to use this particular headshot for my YouTube thumbnail, which is actually nice. Yes, it's actually nice. So you can see, so I have to position it. Okay, this is cool. Then the next thing is dragging a square or rectangle to fill up the white blank space. Can do it anyway. Can do it like this, from here to here. So I can do it this way as well. So the color, let me try to find some competitors, should I say so. Okay, let me see how their own gig image actually looks like, so that I will just feel like doing more. Almost all of them are not actually doing great, but then I have to make sure my own gig image looks more stand out. So like something like this, you can see. So yeah, for the color, let me check something else. How this is not good. I actually have small issue in choosing color. When it comes to color, I have I'm not actually good in that. So YouTube, I'm trying to look for a font. Okay, so let me check this. to just make everything in capital letter, which is YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. Okay, I think this is nice. Copy and paste. Then I'll write description. I think I should put in YouTube video description so that people can actually understand that this is strictly for YouTube video description. Okay, this is cool. This way, let me try to bold them, bold and bold. Okay, with this, let me search for YouTube icon. Okay, which one should I choose? Let me see this. Okay, this is cool. This is actually nice to my perfect text. So far it contains my target keyword, so I'll just do this. Okay, so I also add this. I will do YouTube video description. I'll write YouTube video description. So I'm just trying to find the perfect text to create this particular gig. So let me try to reduce the text to 27. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna publish this particular gig, but just for you to understand how this thing actually works. So I'm just downloading the I will write YouTube video description. Okay, so I'm done with the gig image. The next thing is to head up to my Fiverr again, then search for the gig image. I will write okay, here you go. Okay, so this is the gig image, so it's loading. Yeah, so it's done. Then the next thing to do is just click on save and continue. So it will save, then moving on to the next, and then we have our gig published. So the next thing to do, if you haven't do the English test, you have to take the test. So after you taking the test, if your service is actually related to taking test, so you have to take the test, then click on publish. Once you take the test finished, so you click on publish, then you have your gig published on Fiverr platform. And then mind you, after publishing your gig, if you notice that your gig is not appearing on the Fiverr site, I also make a video on how you can actually make your gig appear on Fiverr site. You can find the video on the top left or right corner here, where you can actually find it to publish or to make your gig visible in Fiverr site, so that you'll be able to get impression clicks on your gig, and buyer will be able to find your gig as well. So these are all for you in this video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can drop a comment, or regarding Fiverr on its own, you can drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it truly means a lot to me. And like this video, it's also very important, and comment, it's very important as well. So aside from that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.